Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Child Wagon is probably one of the most versatile and essential pieces of gear for parents on the go, offering a convenient way to transport your little ones and all their gear, whether you're heading to the park, the beach, or just running errands around town. These wagons have evolved significantly from their simpler beginnings, now boasting features like comfortable seating, ample storage, sun protection, and easy maneuverability, making them a popular choice for families seeking a practical and enjoyable way to explore the world with their children. Number 5. Radio Flyer 3-in-1 Easy Fold Wagon with Canopy. Introducing the ultimate ride for your little ones. This versatile wagon offers 3 fun modes: a spacious utility cart, a comfortable bench, or a cozy ride for 2. It's perfect for any adventure, from park days to beach trips. Designed for maximum comfort, it features high, padded seats and seat belts for a smooth journey. The adjustable canopy provides UV protection, making it ideal for sunny days at the beach or neighborhood strolls. Navigate any path with ease. Its real rubber tires offer a smooth ride over sidewalks, grass, or sand. Plus, the durable DuraClean fabric makes cleaning up after adventures a breeze. Keep essentials close with convenient storage pouches and cup holders. When playtime is over, the one-hand flat fold design makes storage quick and effortless. This wagon is built to last, with a sturdy construction and a 150 pounds capacity. It's perfect for kids aged 1.5 and up, ready for countless family outings. What we like? This wagon offers incredible versatility with 3 different modes to suit your needs, from seating for 2 to a comfortable bench. Its one-hand flat fold makes storage a breeze. If you're looking for a wagon that can adapt to various family outings and is easy to manage, this is a great choice. What people say. The wagon folds up very nicely, and fits anywhere. The roof pops off and folds up, stored in the side pocket of the wagon. The poles for the roof are built in, and simply slide out when needed, which is really cool, no assembly or loose parts. It fits our 5-year-old and 2-year-old simultaneously with no issue, and plenty of room for other stuff if you are camping, shopping, visiting the beach, or just going for a walk. The 3-in-1 Easy Fold with Canopy does have 2 seatbelts. Number 4. Radio Flyer Classic Red Wagon. Introducing the Classic Red Wagon, a timeless toy designed for endless fun. Its durable all-steel body ensures it can handle all your adventures. Equipped with large 10-inch rubber tires, it provides a smooth and stable ride. This makes it perfect for hauling both little ones and all your gear, no matter the surface. With its iconic and appealing design, this wagon is perfect for neighborhood strolls and outdoor explorations. It's as beautiful as it is functional. Need to carry a lot? It boasts an impressive 200-pound capacity, making it ideal for gardening supplies, picnic essentials, or sports equipment. The extra-long handle folds for easy storage, and the controlled turning radius helps prevent tipping. You can navigate tight spots with confidence and ease. It's compact enough for everyday errands, park visits, or beach trips. This wagon is ready to go wherever your family adventures take you. What we like? This wagon boasts a classic, all-steel construction that's built to last, with a timeless design that appeals to many. The extra-long handle folds neatly underneath for convenient storage. If you appreciate traditional aesthetics and need a durable wagon for hauling both kids and substantial cargo, this one is a fantastic option. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds up compactly for storage. It has a large capacity, perfect for carrying multiple children or a lot of gear. The durable construction and smooth rolling wheels make it ideal for various terrains. Number 3. Jeep Deluxe Wrangler Stroller Wagon by Delta Children. This versatile wagon offers 3 distinct modes to suit your needs. Easily attach a car seat for infants, use the secure seats for older children, or convert it into a wagon for hauling gear. It also folds compactly for convenient storage and transport. Keep everything you need within reach with its generous storage options. It features a detachable cooler bag, a parent organizer with multiple compartments, cup holders, and spacious front and back pockets. Navigating any terrain is a breeze with its thoughtful design. Enjoy easy turning with swivel front wheels and a smooth ride thanks to the all-terrain, puncture-proof tires. You can push or pull it comfortably with the adjustable handlebars. Ensure your little ones stay comfortable and protected from the elements. The removable canopy offers UV blocking and privacy with roll-down shades, perfect for sunny days. It can accommodate up to 110 pounds in total. Designed for your active lifestyle, it folds down compactly for easy storage and transport. The auto-lock latch ensures it stays secure when folded. It's ready for any adventure, big or small. It comes with a car seat adapter that is compatible with several popular car seat brands, ensuring a seamless transition from car to wagon. This makes it suitable for children from birth. What we like? This wagon is exceptionally adaptable, allowing you to attach a car seat for the youngest passengers or use it in stroller mode for older kids. It also comes with a handy cooler bag and adjustable handlebars for pushing or pulling. If you need a versatile option that can accommodate infants and provides convenient features like a cooler, this is the one to consider. What people say. Fits just fine in the trunk of our Ford Fusion. The 4-seat Jeep wagon didn't fit, so this is a great wagon to get if you don't have an SUV or minivan. The infant car seat adapter is super easy to use, and I absolutely love that both the wheels are flat against the ground when the wagon is folded up. Any other stroller I've had didn't have this feature. It makes storage way easier. This wagon has 3 nice size storage compartments and each one has 2 or more sections. It comes with a nice size ice chest that holds about 10 to 12 can sodas. It has canopy with 2 shades that are great at keeping the sun and wind out. Both handles are adjustable for your comfort no matter if you're pushing or pulling. Number 2. Creative Outdoor Wagon Teal and Gray. This wagon is built to last with a strong steel frame and durable fabric. It can support up to 150 pounds and features a unique tailgate-like opening for hauling oversized items. You can choose to push or pull this wagon with ease. The front wheels swivel 360 degrees, allowing for smooth navigation over any terrain, whether it's dirt, pavement, grass, or sand. Take it everywhere you go. From farmers markets and gardens to beach trips and camping, this wagon is ready for any outing. It's also incredibly portable when folded, fitting easily in your car. Customize your experience with the removable tray and cooler. Use them for extra storage or to keep your drinks and snacks cool. The detachable canopy provides welcome shade on sunny days. When not in use, it folds down compactly for easy storage. Simply expand it when you're ready for your next adventure. What we like? This wagon stands out with its unique rear opening door, making it easy to load and unload larger items. It also includes a removable tray and cooler for added convenience, along with 360-degree swivel wheels for excellent maneuverability. If you often haul bulky items or need a wagon that's easy to navigate in tight spaces, this model is a strong contender. What people say. The wagon is easy to assemble and folds flat for storage. It has a large capacity and can hold up to 100 pounds. The wagon is made of durable materials and is built to last. Number 1. Best Choice Products Collapsible Folding Outdoor Utility Wagon with Canopy. Enjoy the convenience of a quick folding design. It collapses easily for storage by your door or in your car's trunk. Keep your belongings protected from the elements with the removable, weather-resistant canopy. It offers shade and protection from sun and rain. This wagon offers ample storage space with a large cargo area, 2 convenient cup holders, and a detachable pocket for all your essentials. Easily transport your food, gear, and accessories to the store, park, campsite, or beach. It's designed for all your adventures. Constructed with a durable powder-coated steel frame and weather-resistant fabric, it can handle up to 150 pounds. The thick treaded tires ensure stability. What we like? This wagon features a super convenient folding design that allows for quick collapse and easy storage. It comes with a removable canopy for sun protection and detachable pockets for extra organization. If your priority is a wagon that's simple to pack up, transport, and offers useful storage solutions for everyday outings, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This wagon basically adventured with US coast to coast. Was my best investment. The quality is far beyond what I'd expect, especially with other wagons on the market. I cannot recommend this enough. This wagon is really sturdy, and even has a board on the bottom so my son isn't sitting on the rails. I use this instead of a stroller for my toddler. He sits, stands, jumps, and throws stuff in it all the time. Its canopy and structure are better than 2 of my Radio Flyer wagons. I was able to cart both of them around to the zoo, botanical garden, parks, outdoor holidays, etc. They both love the detachable canopy. When attached they call it the bus. Tighten the bolts. Keep those bolts snug and you won't have any worries. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.